Hi everybody, welcome back to Farmboy Garage, and I'm just about getting ready to put some oil back in this compressor. So I've got some Ingersoll ran all season select. This stuff is not cheap. I got this Tractor Supply. It's about $16 a quart. I don't know what's in it, but it is expensive. So you don't want to waste none. Boy, it sure is clear compared to what come out of that thing, I'll tell you that. I did clean the sight glass on here. It takes almost the whole quart, I think. I can't tell if it's in the sight glass or not. Looks like the sight glass is full. Perhaps overfilled it. That ain't good. It's all the way to the top. Now, I don't know if it hurts these things running slap full, or if they want to run half a sight glass. I don't know. I know where I work at, we always want a half a sight glass on all our equipment. But I believe I had this thing filled up before. It don't take quite a quart. It looks about maybe a half quart. Probably would have been fine. I forgot quart's 32 ounces. We know we got oil. I didn't even see it come up with sight glass. It is in there. Oh, we might get a little rain today. I sure hope so. It sure is dry down here. So we've got everything filled up and hooked up. We need to tighten up this filter a little bit so it ain't wrapping. Guards in place. Air lines in place. Rain. I think we're ready to try this thing. I guess I should have plugged that in before I set this thing back here. Alright, so I guess ain't nothing to do but to do it. Cross your fingers. Alrighty. That's hot. Yeah, it ain't too warm. Too bad hot. And that, so it pumped up to 100 and about 125. Shut off. So I guess that's a fix, guys and gals. I guess it could have been a lot worse. I was about to get ready to spend about $400 on a new pump, but I believe I'm gonna try to get by with this one for a few more years. But I definitely want a 2-stage. But got a lot of money in this compressor, and I don't really want to spend a lot more right now. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe if you haven't.